Texas has been awarded billions in federal aid to help recover from Hurricane Harvey and the devastating flooding that followed. But it's unclear how the state is spending its share of the money. State contract records don't distinguish between storm-related expenses and everyday spending, making fund tracking and accountability all but impossible. Texas has received more than $11 billion in federal disaster aid since Harvey hit the state's Gulf Coast back in August. Governor Greg Abbott has appealed for $61 billion more.